Welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this quick video, we'll be highlighting with you the essential things that you should set up on your Squarespace site for SEO. Okay, let's get started. So as you can see, I am navigated to the dashboard of my site, well, the fake site that we created. And last time we discussed how you can add title tags and meta description, so we won't go in depth with that. For that video, please find the link below or find it on our channel. Awesome stuff. So the first thing that you always want to set up is analytics. So this is practically connecting with your Google Search Console. And what Google Search Console is, it practically helps your website get indexed by Google, as well as get analytics that will help you know how people are searching for on your website, which keywords are you currently ranking well for, and so on. So this is something that you want to constantly monitor. So to do that, you just want to connect your Google Search Console. Yes, right here, key search word, and you connect. Once you've connected that, it will automatically give you data over here. Awesome. The next thing that you want to connect is in settings. So on your site, you want to click on settings, and you see a, I want to say pop up, but so once you've arrived to settings, there are many settings here as would have a settings account, but what we really want to focus is you want to make sure that your site language is correct, because Google does take that in consideration. So you really want to make sure that is correct. Awesome. Your region settings, you want to make sure that that is there and it is selected so that you are able to calculate every data that comes through. The next thing is your favicon. So favicon is practically this little icon that pops up over here on every website. So this is really good for brand recognition. So you want to add your icon over there. Luckily, you don't need to add in specific dimensions, as Squarespace does that configuration for you. Social proof, you always need social proof on your website, so you want to make sure that every single social media out there you're signed enough for and you add it to your website. So that will be Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, and what's cool is you can add more socials or your email. Awesome. There's sharing buttons specifically for your blog posts, so that's something that you really want to add over there. I want to pop over to crawlers. So yes, so this is practically configuring what is called a robots text. So this is practically allowing Google or other search engines to crawl your website. So you really want to get this toggle on. Awesome. So now we skip selling. We want to actually go under marketing and SEO appearance. Yes, we covered this in a different video, but it's that important that we have to cover it twice. What's awesome about Squarespace is they give you SEO checklist that you can fill in while optimizing your website. Google search keywords is practically when you connect your Google Search Console, so that's something that you really want to have. And you want to make sure that your title tags and meta descriptions are filled out for every single page on your website. If you have Facebook pixels, you want to also add it here. So this is how you add your pixel ID over here and so on. So there are third-party extensions. Sorry, clicked on the wrong one. Something that you want to add as well, like for example, for SKU, like Qs and so on. So some are really essential to help you with your SEO. So for more videos like this, please subscribe, leave a like, comment, tell us what will benefit you the most. We have videos on the daily, so do subscribe. Stalk us at prolemon.com. Until the next video, ciao.